healthy balance, see, between preserving a sense of. Okay, you hear me? Okay, to keep a kind of balance between sense of identity, home, and community, and doing what's like to survive within this age of globalization. So we have to have what sense of identity in such a time, okay? Especially with media, information, say, revolution, etc. And this is very important. This is in fact addressed for young people, because the young people are what the future pillars of their own society, and this is very important. So what does this man says? Yeah, still got concern with this man Friedman. He says, in this age of transition, young men in particular lost a sense of identity, rootedness, personal dignity that had been provided by traditional social structures. So we are away from what our structures, social beliefs, traditions, our grandmother, our ancestors, let's say, so to speak. We are actually losing many things in this point. Communication also is what is central to the life of our culture. And hence I've talked about how to nationalize literature, communication, and identity. With some ideas, of course. So we have to literature again. How come? Some people say, okay, have rather a strange view of literature. Say literature is just a matter of wasting time. It has something to do with emotions and okay, no relation to ideas. No, I say that literature is reflection of one's culture, identity, and roots. Through literature, we can have language itself. And you know, okay, many students can learn, for example, can learn idioms, okay, grammatical things through what? Through literature, actually. So literature, again, does literature have any importance? Literature is one, they have to be what? The mirror which reflects human nature. Literature, fiction, poetry, actually I depend on certain codes, and these codes okay, is a matter of reflection on ideas contained in them. So literature, fiction, poetry, whatever, makes justice in the world. That's why it is always on the side of what? Underdog. Underdog, it means marginalized people, you know? Those people who marginalized for a certain reason. Literature could be said to be a sort of what? Discipline technique for arousing certain emotions. This is by Eris Marduk. Great literature is simply language charged with meaning to utmost possible degree. This is by Ezra Pound, the American say, imagist and poet. So why do you teach literature in education, especially in educational institutions, whether schools or universities? In fact, there are many reasons. And again, literature is indispensable in any society. We should have to focus